Welcome. In this video I will show you how to block ads on Twitch and enjoy uninterrupted streaming. There are several methods to achieve this, each with its pros and cons. Let's start with browser extensions. Popular choices include Adblock Origin, AdBlock, and AdGuard. These extensions are simple to install and configure within your web browser. They work by filtering out known ad-serving domains, preventing ads from loading on Twitch. Next, we have host file editing. This method involves adding specific entries to your system's host file. On Windows, the host file is located at See Windows System Driver Suggests. On macOS, you can find it at Let's. Open this file using a text editor with administrator privileges and add these lines: 127001 pubeds, G, doubleclick.net, and 127001 secure pubeds, G, doubleclick.net. This will redirect ad requests from Twitch to your local machine, effectively blocking them. Moving on, we have third-party software like Streamlink and Livestreamer. These tools are designed to stream online content from various platforms, including Twitch. They bypass ads by directly capturing the video stream without loading the website interface. Another option is Twitch Turbo, a premium subscription service offered by Twitch. Subscribing to Twitch Turbo removes all ads from your Twitch viewing experience. It also provides other benefits, such as extended chat emotes and exclusive chat badges. Lastly, we have ad blocker scripts. These are custom scripts that you can install using browser extensions like Violent Monkey. Search for Twitch ad blocker or similar scripts specifically designed to block ads on Twitch. Once installed, these scripts will actively block ads while you're watching streams. That concludes our tutorial on blocking Twitch ads. Remember to choose the method that best suits your needs and preferences. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.